Hello, children. Good morning, everybody. As you know that today I am here with a new topic of class 10th from your textbook, First Flight, the black aeroplane. Dear children, as you know why the name of this topic has been kept as the black aeroplane, there is a reason behind it, and you will find during the lecture. The moon was coming up in the east behind me, and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. There was not a cloud in the sky. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. I was flying up my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. I looked at my watch on 30 in the morning. Dear children, through this passage, the writer wants to tell us about the happiness of the pilot because he is on leave, and when he was flying the aeroplane in the sky, that time he could see that moon was coming up in the east behind him, as well as he could see also stars were shining in the clear sky above him. And dear children, he could also see the sleeping countryside, and he was very happy to see all these things, and he was in dreaming mood, and he was also watching his watch, and that time it was 1:30 in the morning. This all belonging to this first paragraph, and next paragraph I am going to explain, dear children. That is, I should call Paris control soon, I thought as I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane. I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. I switched on the radio and said, Paris control Dakota DS088 here, can you hear me? I am on my way to England, over. Dear children, through this paragraph, the writer wants to tell us that how did the pilot try to contact his radio satellite with the Paris control room, and he switched on the radio and he just asked Paris control Dakota DS088 here, can you hear me? Okay, this was the sentence, and what the reply pilot got, see in the next line. The voice from the radio answered me immediately, DS088, I can hear you, and you ought to turn 12 degrees west now, DS088, over. Dear children, what the reply the pilot got? He was given instruction that he should turn 12 degrees west. Then, and in next paragraph, I checked the map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. When he got the information from the Paris control radio control room, dear children, at that time he checked the map and the compass and switched over to his second and last fuel tank and turned the Dakota 12 degrees west towards England, because he had to reach to England, and he was flying the aeroplane from France to England. And next paragraph, I will be in time for breakfast, I thought. A good big English breakfast, everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Dear children, through this line we can see that he was so happy that he wanted to have breakfast as soon as early morning after reaching in England. In next paragraph, Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds, storm clouds. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. Dear children, through this paragraph, what the writer wants to tell us, that when pilot was flying the aeroplane, at that time he was near about 150 kilometers far from Paris, and during that time what he saw in front of his aeroplane, that there were huge storm clouds seeming by the pilot, and they were like black mountains standing of in front of me across the sky. I knew I could not fly up in over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. Dear children, this is the first part of the video. Next I will present